Where is Bitcoin's price headed in 2025? Is Bitcoin ready to break a new all-time high of 250,000, or will it go crashing down to 45,000? Hey everyone, welcome back to 15M Finance. I'm John, and before I continue, if you find this information useful and I have earned it, then please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as this will help me out immensely. Also, remember that this is not financial advice and this video is for educational purposes. Now let's get into it. Today's episode will be a little different because most of it will be unscripted. I will go over Bitcoin for people who have never invested in it and don't know where to start. So, I want to keep it super simple. Today's video will feel more like a tutorial. I am also leaving links to some crypto platforms in the description below, like crypto.com, Wealthsimple, and Kraken.
So step number one is coming to TradingView.com. So just type in your browser, TradingView.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Just click and it'll take you here. Step number two, type Bitcoin. And you should see Bitcoin US dollar. Click this. Then you should be on the Bitcoin page. I want you to click all time. And the reason I want you to look at this chart is I want you to understand that Bitcoin peaks and goes down into crypto winter, peaks, goes down into crypto winter. And now it's peaking again. The point that I'm trying to drive home here is just because Bitcoin is down doesn't mean that it's going to come up. And if you're willing to take the risk, the reward is just incredible. Here's a principle that has helped me a lot. It has helped me go from $500 to over $10,000. And the principle is only invest what you're willing to lose and invest it every month. So that's the principle that you need to follow to be successful with Bitcoin. And once you invest, don't think about it. Don't look at it every day. Just wait until you hear on the news that Bitcoin has jumped up like 100%. And that's when you cash out. Next step is click the full chart button. And that should bring you to this advanced chart. What I want you to do here is go on the time frame, click that, scroll down and hit 1 week. Next, I want you to hit indicators and I want you to type BB. You should see Bollinger Bands. Click that. What's going to happen is that green, blue, and red line, red, green, and blue lines should appear. And these are the lines that are the most helpful for beginners. And the simple technique is when Bitcoin touches the green or the blue, that is your entry point. That's where you're going to buy Bitcoin. So for example, you could have bought Bitcoin at 28 and you could have exited Bitcoin at 68. The next entry point for you would have been 55 and the exit point would have been 99. So I've already done that once. I've also exited at 101. Now I've entered Bitcoin today because it is way below the red line and it's a little bit closer to blue, but not really there. I put in a little bit of money there. And I'm going to exit once Bitcoin surpasses this red line at 129 or 130. That's my guesstimate. It's a little bit conservative. It's always best to be conservative with Bitcoin, and then if the results are better, you'll be better off rather than guesstimate like, let's say 250,000 and then wait and then not even cash out at 128. This is how a lot of beginners lose money. So where do I think Bitcoin is going to go? Honestly, it's anybody's guess. But if I was to be conservative and follow this Bollinger Band, I know that it's going to go above the red at some point. And it's going to touch the blue at some point. You guys can wait if you like to see if it'll touch around 82,000. It very well may. and then enter and exit at 130. But overall, if you're too afraid, it's best to just wait it out and hold your money until Bitcoin drops to 50,000 or below 40. So that's the magic number you're looking for. You might be waiting for 6 months, 1 year, who knows. And that would be the lowest. So for me, the highest is 139 and the lowest is 55. Of course, when it reaches 55, I'll dump almost all my money in here, which is going to be approximately 5 figures, and then wait for it to surpass 300,000. So that's my game plan with this one. Whatever your game plan is, make sure you think about it. You don't spend money that you don't have, and that it should be money that you're willing to lose. So that is the basic principle of investing in Bitcoin. So if you have any questions, just leave your questions in the comments below and I will respond to all of them and help you get into this game. It's a lot of fun and I'm surprised how many people miss out on it.
What are your thoughts on Bitcoin? Do you think it will go up or go down? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, happy investing.